Hi everyone, this is another example of the angel wings coasters. I have used the same colors as the previous video. It's just that the pouring style over here is a little different. Pay attention as I start the process. I am using a fast cure resin for this project as well. The colors are Charoite purple, cream and white. This video will serve the purpose of a good revision. As in the previous video, I mixed my resin and the colors and kept them aside for a few minutes. I poured the first green color into the mold on the edges, and I was very careful while pouring it so that I don't spill too much. You can see that the resin is not very thick. After that, I poured some clear resin into the mold and made sure that it covered or flooded over the previously poured color. I then moved on to pouring white on the edges. Try and keep these lines as thin as possible. Remember to drizzle your clear resin over the colored parts, as that is what is going to create those beautiful layers. Next, I poured the Charoite purple on the edges above the clear resin drizzles that I'd made earlier. Remember, you don't have to make straight lines, and of course you don't have to use the same color combination every time. Once you're satisfied with the amount of color that you've poured, you can proceed to the clear resin drizzles once again. Repeat the process a couple of times. See what looks right to you. How much of a coverage do you want? Do you want the coaster to have more color, or do you want it to remain more transparent? I wanted a little bit more purple, so I went on and added the same color after the transparent drizzles. I find the entire process of resin art very satisfying and relaxing, and I hope you do too. You can create your own styles, you can create your own color combinations. Really, there are no set rules. For this project, I used large chunk glitter once again, but I did not mix it in resin. I sprinkled it above my project and just played around with it till it settled in the places where I thought it looked pretty. I swirled the colors a little bit, but eventually this also just spread inwards and made beautiful wing patterns. And here is the final result. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you.